Hi, myself Reeba, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering from St.Joseph College of Engineering, OMR, Chennai. So, in the lecture series of soft computing, today I am going to take the topic fuzzy set, and we can see here some problems on fuzzy set. So, first of all, what is fuzzy set? So, fuzzy set is a group of elements from where each element can belong to a value that is 0 and 1. So, it takes the value between 0 and 1. So, here today in section we are going to see the operations of fuzzy set. So, here consider two fuzzy sets. Let us A and B, and this is the question we have to find. The first question is A union B. So, A union B, the formula is max membership A of x comma membership B of x. So, we can perform these operations only and one. The denominator should be equal for both the cases. Okay. So, here write the values max. So, what is this membership A of x? The value is 1 by 2.0 plus 0.65 by 4 plus 0.5 by 6 plus 0.35 by 8 plus 0 by 10 comma, and write the B values, that is 0 by 2.0 plus 0.35 by 4.0, 5 by 6.0 plus 0.65 by 8 is 1 by 10.0. Okay. So, we are going to find the max of this A comma A and B. Okay. So, here we have to compare the numerator values among both the set. So, we have to find the maximum, that is first consider the first set, that is 1 by 2.0 and this value. Okay. So, 1 and 0, what is the maximum value? 1. Okay. Then compare the second one, 0.65 and 0.35, which is the maximum? 0.65, and 0.5 and 0.5. So, both are similar. Then 0.35 and 0.65, again 0.65 is the maximum, and 0 and 1. So, 1 is maximum. So, this is how you have to find the that is A union B. Okay. So, that is the formula is max membership A of x comma membership B of x. Second one, A intersection B. So, the formula is for union we have taken max, and for intersection we have to take min. Minimum of membership A of x comma membership B of x. So, again write the same values, 0.65 by 4, 0.5 by 6.0 plus 0.35 by 8.0 plus 0 by 10.0 comma, then write the B value 0.35 by 4, 0.65 by 8 plus 1 by 10.0. Clear? So, here we have to find the min. If there is intersection, we have to find the min of 2z. Okay. So, write min. Okay. So, compare the first value, that is 1 by 2.0 and 0 divided by 2.0, which is the minimum 0. Okay. Then 0.65 and 0.35, 0.35 is the minimum, then 0.5 and 0.5, 0.5, then 0.35 and 0.65, obviously 0.35 by 8.0, and 0 and 1, 0 is the minimum. Okay. So, this is the value for A intersection B. Next, the third one is A bar. Okay. So, 1 minus membership A of x is the formula. Okay. So, here 1 minus, what is the value for membership A of x, that is 1 by 2.0, 0.65 by 4.0 plus 0.5 by 6.0 plus 0.35 by 8.0 plus 0 by 10.0. Okay. So, here we have to subtract this value from 1. Okay. So, 1 minus 1, that is 0. So, 0 by 2.0 plus 1 minus 0.65, that is 35, that is 0.35 by 4.0 plus 1 minus 0.5, 0.5 by 6.0 plus 1 minus 0.35, that is 0.65, 65 by 8.0 plus 1 minus 0, 1, that is 1 by 10.0. Okay. The fourth one we have to find, that is B bar. Okay. The formula is 1 minus membership B of x. Okay. So, the value is 1 minus, what is the value? 0 by 2.0 plus 0.35 minus divided by 4.0 is 0.56, 0.65 by 8.0 is 1 by 10.0. Okay. So, here you have to subtract these values from 1. Okay. So, 1 minus 0, that is what, 1 by 2.0 plus 1 minus 0.35, 0.65 by 4.0, and here 0.5 by 6, 1 minus 0.65, that is 0.35 by 8 plus 1 minus 1, 0. So, 0 by 10.0. So, this is the answer. Next one we have to find, that is A bar union B bar, sorry, intersection. Okay. So, here intersection means you know min. Okay. So, min membership, that is A bar of x comma membership B bar of x. So, this is the formula. So, if there is intersection, you have to put min of membership A bar of x comma membership B bar of x. Okay. So, already we have found out the answer for that, membership A bar of x, that is 1 minus, right. So, what is the answer here? So, 0.5 by 2.0 plus 0.35 by 4.0 plus 0.5 by 6.0 plus 0.35 by 8.0 plus 65, right. Then 1 minus it, that is 1 by 10.0. So, this is the value for membership A bar of x, and what is the value for membership B bar of x? That is 1 by 2.0 plus 0.65 by 4.0 plus 0.5 by 6.0 plus 0.35 by 8.0 plus 0 by 10.0. So, this is the value. So, from this you are going to find the min. So, as earlier we have seen, we have to compare each value from the set. Okay. First we have to compare the first set, that is 0.5 and 1, which is the minimum 0.5 plus the 0.35 and 0.65. 0.35 is minimum, 0.5 and 0.5. So, both values are same. So, 0.5 by 4.0, again 0.65 and 35. So, 0.35 is minimum, and 1 and 0, 0 is minimum. So, 0 by 10.0. So, this is the value for A bar intersection B bar. The next question is A bar union B bar. So, if there is union, then we have to find max, that is max of membership function, that is A bar of x comma membership B bar of x. So, here we are going to find the max. So, the value will be same for this. So, you can write, so max of this value. So, compare each value from both the set, that is 0.5 and 1. What is the maximum value? 1. So, 1 by 2.0 plus 0.35 and 0.65. What is the maximum? 0.65. Again 0.5 and 0.5. So, both values are same. So, you can write 0.5, then 0.65 and 35. So, maximum is 0.65, 8.0 plus 1 and 0, 1 is maximum. So, 1 by 10.0. So, this is the value for A bar union B bar. Okay. The next we have to find A union B the whole bar. Okay. A union B the whole bar. The formula is A bar. If here is union, then you have to write intersection B bar. Okay. So, this is the formula, and here I have written the values for A bar and B bar. So, here, so that is A bar intersection B bar. What is the value? So, if there is intersection, we have to find min. Okay. So, min membership A bar of x comma membership B bar of x. Okay. So, here A bar of x comma B bar of x, you have to find the min. Okay. So, here 0 and 1, which is the minimum? 0. So, 0 by 2.0, okay, and 0.35 and 0.65, 0.35 is the minimum, and third one 0.5 by 6.0, 0.65, 0.35, which is the minimum? 0.35, 8.0 plus 1 and 0, which is the minimum? 0. Okay. So, this is the answer for A union B the whole bar. The next one we have to find A intersection B the whole bar. Okay. So, A intersection B the whole bar. What is the formula? So, if there is intersection, then you have to write union. Okay. So, A bar union B bar. Okay. So, if there is union, next you have to write the formula for A bar union B bar. So, if there is union, then you have to write max, you have to find max. Okay. That is max of membership A bar of x comma membership B bar of x. Okay. So, here I have written the values for A bar and B bar. From that you have to take the max. Okay. So, max, so 0 and 1, which is the maximum? 1. So, 1 by 2.0 plus 0.65 and 0.35, 0.65 is the maximum. So, 0.65 by 4.0, third 0.5, both are, since both are same values. So, we can write the same. 0.35 and 0.65, again 0.65 is the maximum. 0 and 1, 1 is the maximum. So, this is the value for A intersection B, the whole bar. Okay. The next one is A union A bar. Okay. So, what is the formula for that? So, if there is union, we know what have to write? Max. So, we have to write max. Then for A, that is membership A of x, comma membership A bar of x. Since here there is A bar. Okay. So, A union A bar is equal to max of membership A of x, comma membership A bar of x. So, the next step, simply you have to write the values for that. Membership A of x means the values 1 by 2.0, 0.65, 4.0, 0.5, next 0.35, 8.0 plus 0 by 10.0. So, this is the value for membership A of x, comma membership, the next one is membership A bar of x. Next you have to write the A bar values, that is 0 by 2.0 plus 0.35 by 4.0 plus 0.5 by 6.0 plus 0.65 by 8.0 plus 1 by 10.0. We have to find the maximum among this. Okay. So, you know that is 1 and 0, which is the maximum 1, then 0.65, 0.5, 0.35 and 65, that is 65 and 1. So, this is the answer for A union A bar. The next one is A intersection A bar. So, if there is intersection, you have to write min. Min of membership A of x, comma membership A bar of x. So, this is the formula for that. So, using the same values, you are going to find the min. Okay. So, 1 and 0, which is the minimum, 0 and 0.65, 0.35, that is 35. Next 0.5 by 6.0, again 0.35 and 65, 0.35 plus 0 by 10.60. So, this is the value for that. Okay. The next one we have to find B union B bar. So, we know that if there is union, we have to find max. So, write max, max of membership B of x, comma membership B bar of x. Okay. So, this is the formula. So, just copy down the values for B and B bar. For B bar of x, the value is 0 by 2, 0.35 by 4, 0.5 by 6.0, 0.65 by 8, 1 by 10, comma, and write the B bar of x value, that is 1 by 2, 0.65 by 4, 0.5 by 6, 0.35 by 8, 0 by 10.0. Okay. So, from this we have to find the maximum. Okay. So, 0 and 1, that is 1 by 2.0, 0.65 by 4.0, next 0.5 by 6.0, 0.65 and 35, maximum is 0.65 by 8.0, and 1 and 0, that is 1 is maximum. Okay, so this is the value for B union B bar. Then the last one we have to find B intersection B bar. Okay, if there is intersection, what you have to write? Min. So min membership B of x comma membership B bar of x. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, so taking this same value, you have to find min. Okay, so 0 and 1, 0 is the minimum. Next 0.35 and 0.5 and 0.5 both are same. So 0.5 by 6.0, 0.65 and 35, 0.35. Next 1 and 0, which is minimum 0. So 0 by 2.0. Okay. So thereby we have solved all the problems.